Hey, how's it going, folks? ET here. We're doing another DaVinci Resolve video, and this is part 2 of another video I did. This is even faster, how to export multiple clips from one long video. So what we're going to do is go File, we're going to import media, we're going to grab our world famous Shenmue 2 video clip here, and we will change it to suit our timeline. Then we're going to go to our editing tab down here. And remember previously in the video, I only use media, editing, and delivery or exporting. So we're in our editing suite area here. We're going to drag that clip to the timeline. And previously I showed you how to do export of clips more a detailed way, but this is a faster way where you're just cutting and exporting. So we're going to grab our blade tool here and we'll do the same thing. We'll chop into 4 pieces. 1, 2, and there you go, 4. Back to our little pointer here. And this part we're done. If you don't need to do any editing whatsoever, we're good to go here. And we're going to jump to our delivery. And what we're going to do is just name this whatever we want. Let's do Shenmue 2 clips. Okay. We're going to find our location here. And I'll go to my desktop. And we'll throw it into chunks here and say save. And the secret here for fast, quick multiple clip editing and exporting is just to change your dial here, your little radio dial, to individual clips. So now it'll see that it knows that all these individual clips on the timeline will be exported as separate pieces of media, which is awesome. So we're going to add this to our rendering queue and we're going to hit render all. And you'll notice right here it actually says 4 clips. Okay, and remember we named them Shenmue 2 clips. So right after this is done rendering, which is going to be really quick, I'll actually show you inside of that chunks folder. Okay, it's all done. So let me open up this folder and you will see here we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 Shenmue clips. Let's make that a detail view, list view. So we got Shenmue 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so those are our clips there. And you can just rename them as you want if you don't want this, this numbering sequence here. I would just change it to 1, 2, 3, 4. But yeah, that's super fast and that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Peace and aloha. We'll see you next time. Bye.